In this video, I'll show you how to find desktop wallpaper location. So what you need to do is click your mouse. You're going to be able to see personalize, click on it. Now what you need to do, click on personalizations, click on background. So from this option, you're going to be able to see a whole lot of it. So you can be able to see personalize your background. So you can just come on here and select any of them. So yeah, there's a lot of them. So you can come on here and choose the one you want. So if I select this now, if I go back to my profile, you can be able to see I just changed the desktop wallpaper location. So you can be able to do this. So it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So another one is you can be able to use the lively, that is for wallpapers. You can be able to use it. So you can just come on here. Once you click on set as wallpaper, you can be able to do this. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe.